Poldy, Learn About the Opposites. Story by Felicia Lowe, illustrations by Steve Smallman and Kai Dixie. It was a very bad day for everyone. Things had been going wrong since morning. Each time they planned to do something, the opposite thing happened. Poldy wanted to start the day with a hot bath, but the water was cold. Seagull looked for an empty branch to sit on, but every branch was full. Wagtail tried to find a light twig, but it was too heavy for him to carry. Crow hunted for some sweet berries for lunch, but he found only sour ones. Poldy wanted a new hat, but he had to wear his old one. Seagull tried to make herself look beautiful, but she thought she looked ugly. Wagtail wanted to cheer everyone up with a happy song, but he could only remember a sad one. Crow wanted a quiet place to rest, but everywhere he went was noisy. Poldy was supposed to turn left, but instead he turned right. Crow wanted straight feathers, but most of his feathers were crooked. Wagtail tried to find a dry place to sit, but there were wet puddles everywhere. Crow wanted a fat worm to eat, but the only worm he found was thin. Poldy wanted a drink of clean water, but the water in the well was dirty. Seagull wanted to be a first to go to bed, but she found that she was the last. "What a day!" Seagull shrieked. "Today was like a game of opposites. Whatever we wanted, the opposite happened." "And here's one last opposite to finish the day," said Wagtail. "Even a bad day spent with the good friends can be fun." The